What's going on, everybody? So I ordered something in the mail on Amazon and it came today, and I'm pretty excited about it. It's got mixed reviews, a lot of positive, some negative, but it's beer related and I felt like giving it a shot. Plus I like to take my beers with me sometimes. I don't want to have to go out and bottle them with the beer wand, bottling wand. So lo and behold, we have the Growlerworks uKeg pressurized growler. Now this came in today and I want to open this up and see if we can get into this baby. So the first thing we get here is a Growlerworks how-to card, in case you don't know how to set it up. Owner's manual, and they even give you a couple of CO2 injected. This looks like 16 gram cartridges, so that's awesome. I have a whole box of them already from a different dealio I bought, and nothing there, just looks like packaging. Oh wow, look at this. It even comes in its own little bag. It's got a little weight to it. Anything else in here? Growlerworks sticker, that'll go on my kegerator. And looks like a replacement seal of some sort. What else is in here? I think that's it. So let's set the box aside here. Alright, let's open this up. It's pressurized already because I pushed that forward. That's the tap. Oh yeah, I got the copper model, man. It's pretty. Beautiful. Let's see if I can get this off. Let me use my other hand right quick. Okay, there she is. That's beautiful. Love the look of it. And actually they say you can set it like in your fridge door and just have like, it'll hold about 10 beers in it. It's 128 ounce, so it'll hold about 10 beers. Nice copper plating on it. Yeah, sweet. What is this? Oh, it says 8 16 ounce pints, 1 gallon of beer. So that's awesome. If you want to take you want to fill your home brew up in it and take it somewhere, it's got the nice little carry handle. So I like that. This is your CO2 regulator on top. Basically, you can dial in your pressure by just turning it. And basically here as well, there's a pin. So if you hold it forward, you push this pin, keeps the tap. Well, maybe it's the other way. Either way, one of the ways it's supposed to like lock it. Yeah, that locks it when you push it all the way in. So your tap isn't accidentally dispensing while you're traveling. Let's see if we can pop this lid off. And then this is where the CO2 cartridge goes. Looks like it's got a little cover on here. I don't think you're supposed to take that off. But yeah, you unscrew this piece like so. And basically you put your CO2 cartridge in here, and then you tighten it really fast. And you also want to make sure you have this dialed to nothing. You tighten it on really quick, because as soon as it punctures that CO2 cartridge, you're going to start losing CO2. And that's it, man. And basically just goes back in on top, like so. And it has a little seal on there, so it doesn't leak. But yeah, this is cool, man. This is if anything, you can set this up. You can set this like out just on your table when you're not using it as a conversation piece. It's really cool looking. It's got a little gauge here for your CO2 pressure or serving pressure. But yeah, I wanted the copper model. It was a little more than the stainless model, but the copper model is just, I think it looks a lot cooler. And yeah, so anyways, I just wanted to show you all this. I got it in the mail the other day. I'll demo it here at some point soon. I do plan on loading it with some beer to take whenever we go on trips or whatever. And then I can just, like if we go on long trips, I can just fill it up with my beer, about 10 beers worth. Throw it in a friend's fridge, let it get real chill. And then we can have, you know, 4 or 5 pints a piece. So this is cool. A little pricey, but cool. I mean, you could accumulate a few of these and then just put like a couple different beers in each one, and then you have a couple of them to take to a friend's house, whatever. But I wasn't expecting them to send me these, so that's really cool. I mean, I have a whole box of these, like I said, but I just wanted to share with you guys one of the new toys I ended up buying. I didn't get this sent to me for free. I actually did buy it, so, but hey, sometimes not everything's always free, right? But it's going to be a nice addition to my toys. So anyways, guys, when I get the demo in it, I'll let you know.